excuse me, the trash that was there was probably the bodies. That's where. Okay. Is this my neighbor? Oh, fuck. Ma'am? Yes? How can I help you? I don't want to die. Definitely don't want to die tonight. Never thought there was a murder.